Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make yarn fibre. So jumping right in, all you're going to need is a slicker brush. This is also known as just a bog standard wire cap brush that you can get from any pet shop, and a ball of yarn, any colour that you want to make fibre of. So I'm going to make some white yarn fibre. So to start with, all we're going to do is grab a bunch of this yarn and wrap it around our hands, because we're essentially going to make a large tassel. I'm going to wrap it around quite a few times. Like so. Take a pair of scissors and just snip, and then very carefully snip it off your hands, like so. I'm going to grab another piece of this. It's scrap, I'm not bothered about that, just so I can tie all of this up together. I want to tie it nice and tight, like that. And next I'm going to hold this knot that I've put in, and I'm going to take up my slicker brush, and I'm going to very carefully brush all this yarn out, but I'm going to start at the bottom and work up here, and all the fibre is going to gather in here. Okay, so as you can see, I've managed to get quite a bit of yarn fibre. So I'll just pull all this out. And this is absolutely incredible for needle felting. And another way to get more fibre as well is if you do the whole thing, you can just snip all this off, like so. And there's even more yarn fibre as well. So that's a very quick and easy way to make yarn fibre. You can do it with any colour, any yarn. And I highly recommend that you just store it in little plastic Ziploc baggies, so it keeps it clean as well. There we go, like so. And if you do own a cat, I don't, but if you do own a cat, make sure that you use a separate brush. Never use one that you're using for a pet. Always have one specifically for yarn, for hygiene reasons. So, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed learning how to make yarn fibre out of a tassel. And I really hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.